You've worked hard all your life. Wouldn't it be a shame if you lost it all in a heartbeat due to a bad creditor or the IRS or a frivolous lawsuit? You can have it all, and you can keep it all too. Asset protection is the secret that the rich and the famous use, and now so can you. It's easier than you think. Go on all the vacations you want. Enjoy the lifestyle you deserve, knowing that you can protect your business, family, and personal property from frivolous lawsuits, creditors, and the IRS. Stay tuned for the next 30 minutes and find out how the rich and famous do it. Your host, former soap opera star of The Guiding Light, Jean Carroll, interviews one of the top 10 CPA, attorney, and real estate brokers in the country, Mr. Stephen Sears. For years, Mr. Sears has set up hundreds of plans to protect and give peace of mind. Asset protection at its finest. We'll hear from Mr. Sears and eavesdrop on one of his famous seminars before a live audience. We'll hear from others who have benefited as well. This whole program is designed to give you valuable information on how you too, very simply, can set up systems and plans to protect your life, your business, your family, giving you the time and the peace of mind to enjoy worry-free the lifestyle you've always wanted and deserve. Mr. Stephen Sears is a CPA, attorney, Master of Science in Taxation, a law professor, a licensed real estate broker, and an investment advisor. He's written the book, A Simple and Effective Guide to Keeping Everything You've Earned, Wealth and Asset Protection Strategies. The author of a popular video seminar, Send Your Assets on Vacation, and an audio cassette series. Mr. Sears is a frequent speaker at seminars and has been interviewed numerous times on radio and television.
Mr. Sears, what exactly is asset protection, and how do you determine if someone can benefit from it?
What we do is we take several different topics and we combine them into one. We take income tax planning, estate planning, privacy protection, profit potential, asset allocation, financial planning strategies, and we wrap them into one, sort of all under one roof, so to speak.
These days, we're hearing so many news items about frivolous lawsuits. Is there anything that someone can do to protect themselves from this?
Well, we see so many lawsuits these days that are completely frivolous. Well, we use different structures and strategies. These are put together in an integral environment of actually putting together like partnerships, limited liability.
Mr. Sears' firm has offered personal service in the tax, legal, accounting, financial, and international arenas since 1979. His staff includes licensed professionals, such as CPAs, attorneys, enrolled agents, investment advisors, and a highly qualified support staff. In the area of asset protection and estate planning, Mr. Stephen Sears' firm specializes in the formation and administration of business structures and holding companies. Through affiliated offices worldwide, he maintains relationships with the largest and most reputable trust companies and banking institutions.
Mr. Sears, you are a world-renowned author, an attorney. You speak at symposiums all over the world, and here you are offering your services to anyone who wants to give you a call.
Well, actually, we represent business owners, individuals, people in the entertainment industry, physicians, attorneys, real estate people.
My name is Joe Warren. I'm the owner and captain of the electric riverboat Angela Louise in Newport Harbor. I met them years ago, and during the course of these last several years, they've helped me in many ways. They've helped me with asset protection and helping to guarantee that those things that I worked for and built to for the future have been maintained and safeguarded.
You can minimize taxes legally and file tax returns and be in compliance with all laws. The whole idea is do a legal, lawful strategy and at the same time save tax or defer tax. That's our goal.
I started the business about 15 years ago. With limited cash flow, a lot of taxes to pay. But you and Mr. Sears showed me ways to protect my assets personally and business-wise. And that freed me up to do a lot of personal things with my family and take vacations.
Isn't it time you took action to protect your family, your assets, your way of life? Don't play with your future. Take that first step today. Order the Financial Security Kit from Stephen Sears. You'll receive a 60-minute question and answer audio cassette of your most asked questions concerning your financial future. A Wealth and Asset Protection Strategies book by Mr. Sears. And a 90-minute videotape seminar in protection strategies. Our regular price for all of this is $99. But if you call now, we will give you this financial education package, not for $99, not $79, but if you call now, just $49. But hurry, don't put it off any longer. You owe it to yourself. Do the right thing. Order Peace of Mind today, your complete financial education package. From noted attorney, CPA, Stephen Sears. Call 949-262-1100. That's 949-262-1100.
As an attorney and CPA, I tell my clients, you can lose it all or protect it all. The choice is yours.
For private banking and portfolio management, Stephen Sears' firm has established relationships with many of the largest international banks around the world. They can also assist with management services that provide secrecy and confidentiality for your investments. In the area of accounting and tax planning, Stephen Sears' firm offers accounting services, preparation of financial statements, reviews, audits, and general business consulting, tax planning. Services are available for individuals, corporations, partnerships, estates, trusts, and nonprofit entities. In other areas, Stephen Sears' firm provides full legal representation in all matters, including estate planning, bankruptcy, litigation, real estate, trademarks, contracts, general business, and international law. Isn't it time you took action to protect your family, your assets, your way of life? Don't play with your future. Take that first step today. Order the Financial Security Kit from Stephen Sears. You'll receive a 60-minute question and answer audio cassette of your most asked questions concerning your financial future. A Wealth and Asset Protection Strategies book by Mr. Sears. And a 90-minute videotape seminar in protection strategies. Our regular price for all of this is $99. But if you call now, we will give you this financial education package, not for $99, not $79, but if you call now, just $49. But hurry, don't put it off any longer. You owe it to yourself. Do the right thing. Order Peace of Mind today, your complete financial education package. From noted attorney, CPA, Stephen Sears. Call 949-262-1100. That's 949-262-1100.
So I can learn how to protect my assets, save money, reduce my taxes, and free myself up from financial worry.
Here's a sample of what you'll get in your financial kit.
The guardianship of children, that's something we also do when we do a comprehensive estate planning. And here we have designated family members or perhaps business associates to manage financial assets. And one important thing about estate planning is the time to do it is when you don't really think it's needed, because this is a time when you have harmony in your family. The worst thing you do is you wait until there's an emergency, and we've seen that happen. Thinking back about the living trust versus will, the will is a public record document. The probate estate and the will gets published to the court. So anybody can go in and look at that document. We have a copy of Jackie Onassis' will. We got it from the public record. Very interesting to read. A living trust, a private, confidential document. So that's another reason to keep things private in the family is we do this estate planning in the privacy of a law office. It's in a formal setting. We discuss everything with the various family members and make the proper decisions.
In the past few minutes, you've heard why you should protect your assets and why you should plan for your financial future. You've seen and heard stories from actual Stephen Sears clients.